Hey everyone, welcome to the first community update for the Crozet Elementary School Addition and Renovation Project. I'm Kristen Hill, a Community Engagement Specialist at VMDO Architects, and I'm here to share with you some background information on the Crozet Elementary School design process and some ways you can get involved. Although we'd love to meet with you all in person, considering the circumstances, this project's community engagement will look a little different, but we are still eager to engage with and hear from every member of the greater Crozet community. Albemarle County Public Schools have recently embarked on a plan to design and build, over the next 2.5 years, significant new spaces and improvements to an existing elementary school in western Albemarle County. Originally opened in 1990, Crozet Elementary School was built to accommodate a population of less than 400 students. These planned improvements will accommodate an enrollment of 680 pupils. Crozet has been identified as one of 3 designated growth areas by Albemarle County and has experienced significant growth in recent years. Crozet area Brownsville Elementary School is currently the school in the county experiencing the most growth and is already utilizing 8 mobile classrooms. Due to its already large size, it was not recommended to make Brownsville any bigger. This spring, Albemarle County hired VMDO Architects, a nationally renowned Charlottesville-based firm specializing in architecture for education. VMDO will provide design and construction administration services for this project. During the late 1980s, VMDO designed the original Crozet Elementary School as well as a classroom addition in 1995. Our team is led by VMDO Principal Ken Thacker, a local resident and former Crozet Elementary School parent, Kelly Callahan, a principal with VMDO, local resident, and a parent of 2 public school teachers, is also a member of our project team, along with a number of additional architectural team members and consultants with whom we'll collaborate on matters of engineering best practices and sustainable design initiatives that might best suit this project. In recent years, the county's Long-Range Planning Committee developed a capital improvement plan identifying the needs of this project. $15,650,000 has been budgeted for construction, which will pay for 17 new classrooms, an expansion to kitchen, dining, media center, physical education, and administration spaces, along with improvements to existing classrooms and support spaces. Expanded play spaces, additional parking, and improved vehicular circulation will also be a part of this project, along with considerations for a highly functional, flexible, and sustainable educational environment. ACPS has designated a few key leaders to serve on the project's design committee. This committee meets with the designers bi-weekly and will act in an advisory role throughout the design process to guide the architects and engineers in the development of this project. The design team is having additional stakeholder meetings with key ACPS departments and school representatives to gather feedback on all aspects of design for the project. Recently, we met with transportation and child nutrition. Sharing information with and seeking input from the community is essential to the success of this project. Indeed, that's the case for all of our projects. While the COVID-19 epidemic has profoundly impacted everyone's lives, ACPS wishes for the project to continue on its present timetable so that much needed space will be available to students and staff as soon as it is reasonably possible. To that end, VMDO has revised the scope of our community engagement efforts to incorporate informational updates and soliciting feedback through a variety of digital methods. We invite you to work with us. Tell us what you think we can do to make this project meet the needs of every learner in the entire Crozet community. We're not starting from zero. As locals, we've been learning for years and know what a special place the Crozet community is. We've already begun conversations with the design committee, visioning what success will look like for this project. What will the future look like for ACPS students? And how can Crozet Elementary School best prepare them for that future? But we want to hear from you. What do you think the Crozet Elementary School of the future should look like? Here are some activities that you can do this week from home. Take our visioning survey, which will be the first in the series of 3 surveys and will build on each other. Sign up for an interview with the design team. We want to hear from you and whatever you have to talk about. Check out our kids design video for some family-friendly activities and send us pictures of what you make. Reach out. We're always available by email. And stay tuned. We'll be back to share what we've been learning and more ways to get involved in 2 weeks.